for this one, I'm just going to wash it in a jug. There it is after giving it a rinse with water. So whilst I won't be using the wash and cure machine to wash this, it seemed a bit overkill, but I do fancy giving it a go to see if I can cure it. So I can see how that process works as well. There we are. Finished piece. This resin stuff's pretty cool. Messy, but cool. So I'll come up with some stuff to put on the printer and get that started next. And also make use of the wash function with this. But that's all for now. So thanks for watching. See you in a bit.